It looks a wee bit like a willy.
Oh, I was so excited for this.
Why am I showing you this? I don't know. Hi everyone, I really hope you're doing well. If you're only a fan of a sit down video, then you find me in a very new surrounding. You find me in a very messy new flat. I am officially moved out now, so this is effectively my new space. If you haven't been watching my moving vlogs and you're a bit confused as to what the hell's going on, where I've moved to, where I've moved from, then make sure you give those a watch because that will explain everything. But I thought, what a better time to film a video than 10 to 6 when it's gone dark. I'm in the worst lighting in the world because I haven't actually bought me filming lighting to the new house yet. Yeah, what a better time to film a homeware haul. Now, I've accumulated a goddamn load of stuff. I've talked about quite a few of my purchases in my moving vlogs, but I've recently had an influx of things just arrive in the house and I thought, why not show you? Also, I do apologise for this mess, but if anyone's moved before, moving just is a mess and these things don't have a home yet, so I'm sorry, okay? Me sorry. Shall I switch up the angle? But I really like the Dunelm sign because homeware haul, you know? I'm gonna leave it. I'm sorry. Since I keep saying the word Dunelm, should we start with Dunelm? I say we do. I say we do. We're gonna start with what's right in front of me. Bear in mind, these are really mundane purchases, but I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna like do a little cutaway and put it where it's meant to go. And I'm quite excited by that. So if you're excited, like the video. What am I talking about? Okay, kitchen roll holder. Can you even see this? It's a kitchen roll holder. It looks a wee bit like a willy. Let's be honest here, but I'm praying that once the kitchen rolls on, the willy resemblance will shatter. You will see throughout this haul, I've gone a little bit matte black mad in a very big way, but you know, get the vision in your head. White walls or, you know, modern walls, matte black finish is an accent. It makes me very happy. So, kitchen roll holder. You can't forget the toilet roll holder. Don't be silly. Matte black toilet roll holder. Very simple design, very beautiful, very enjoyable. I wanted it just as simple as possible, and the toilet roll holder we currently have, you've got to like fiddle with the fixture to open it and get the toilet roll out, and I just want it to be as easy as if it's done, I can whack it off, I can chuck it in the bin and I can start afresh. No funny business. I just want to dive in. So that is where this attracted me immensely, and also aesthetically I quite enjoy.
Obviously I want to paint the wall before I put these up, so sorry, but I am buzzing with that. I think that looks so cute.
So if I was going to change up the toilet roll holder, I was also going to have to change up the towel ring holder. So that is where I've purchased this. I don't know about anyone else. I don't know how keen I am on how large the ring is. Like, that is humongous and very long, and I don't actually know if our bathroom, if it'll kind of work because our bathroom is very small. However, I do enjoy it and it was worth a try because it was very cheap anyway, and it goes so well with the toilet roll holder, you know, I just couldn't say no.
Okay, it's quite hard to show this, but I'm actually not 100%. The ring is so long, so it kind of like makes the whole thing look a bit weird. I don't know, like where would I put it? Here? Does that look weird? I don't know. What do you think? What do you think? Thoughts and thoughts. I think I like it. Oh, and I'm dropping it.
What else did I get from Dunelm? A fruit basket. Okay, so there's a little bit of a secret behind this. Basically, all I needed was a banana tree, do you know, so that my bananas aren't just like lying helplessly on my countertop, looking really sad, not knowing which way is up. I just couldn't deal with it. So I was like, oh, I just need a banana tree. Type banana tree into like any homeware site and nothing comes up. So I was getting very confused and very annoyed, and I couldn't be bothered to leave my house because I know for a fact that, you know, your Ikeas, your B&M Bargainses, you know, all these places would have easily had one, but I just can't be bothered. So I went on Dunelm and I've somehow accumulated the most gigantic fruit bowl that also has an attaching banana tree. We're gonna see how this works, because it is ginormous. And I haven't made it a secret, this flat isn't the biggest. The kitchen also isn't the biggest. This will probably take up my entire kitchen countertop. But you know what? I'm going to enjoy it. I'm going to fill it with fruit. I mean, you'd have to have an entire fruit market to fill this, do you know what I mean? I'd be like emptying out the Aldi fruit section. And I'm also going to assemble it and pray that this works out.
Okay, I officially love the bowl. This, I am not a fan. It's very unstable, so it fell over about 10 minutes ago. It's also, hang on, oh god, there you are, it's fallen off, there you are, there you go, great. Also, it is double this, and it does not fit bananas. I mean, that was a fluke because there's so many of them, but it does not work. So I am gonna not be using this. They will just be housed within the fruit bowl, I think, because yeah, I can't be bothered with the aggro, and I enjoy just having a home for them.
Did I get anything else from Dunelm? I got 2 more things from Dunelm. How exciting is this? I'm gonna go for mundane and then I'll finish on a high. So our sink, it's not the smallest, it's not the biggest, and the draining space, it's not the smallest but it's not the biggest. Because we don't have a dishwasher, obviously we wash a lot of things, and I am just finding that our current situation is just not hacking it. So I wanted to get some form of extra drying solution. So I got myself on Dunelm, as I seem to do constantly, and I found myself a grey dish drainer with drying mat, and I'm very excited about it. To be honest, I just wanted a mat. I didn't really want the drainer. I just wanted like an easy peasy mat. So if I can actually have it without the drainer, it might be better. But anyway, well, I can just have the mat. I don't know how long it'll last. Oh, it's just polyester. What? I thought there was like special technology. There was a minky one, but it was only available to collect, and otherwise I would have just gone to a shop. Oh well, that is not interesting to talk about anyway, but yes, I got a dish drainer. And to polish off the Dunelm section of this haul, I wanted a new doormat. I wanted something humorous ideally, but Tom keeps shooting me down. My absolute dream doormat was on ASOS, and it was a humongous ET, and it said something like phone home, but the entire doormat was just ET's face. That's my type of thing that I want to be welcomed home by, but apparently not Tom. Tom, I've learned, is a strange man, because he actually would prefer this, which I'm actually surprised by, but okay. It was also only £5, which I suppose you'd say yes to anything. But the colour, more than anything, I just enjoyed. It's fun. It says hello sunshine, and hopefully it'll put me in a good mood whenever I arrive home. That's the aim. But that's the last of what I got from Dunelm, which was a dweem. You'll also find me an absolute sensation because it's £50 to get free delivery, and that entire haul accumulates to £50 exactly. So wife me up, because I am a bargain hunter. Anyway, what is the next thing? I'm gonna skip on over to John Lewis because it's the smallest, and I want to finish on the high that is Argos. So John Lewis, I got myself this little stand, matte black. Wow, what a change. Matte black indeed. I could use this for something cool. I could use it to like stand up a picture on a shelf, which I think could look quite nifty. To be honest, it could work for a lot of things. However, I feel the way that I'll end up using it is going to be on my bath tray. It will be a way to hold my phone upwards to watch videos, because that's what I enjoy doing in my spare time. So yeah, I got that. I just thought, easy piece of kit, and it was £3 and I was like, yes please. And the second thing, you will notice a very big theme in this haul. I only seem to be buying things that are matte black or bright yellow. Shoot me, I'm enjoying myself. I got this. It's a fleecy throw. That's exactly what they call it. It's a fleecy throw. I will briefly show our bedding and our bed situation. Currently we have a bedspread from IKEA. Very chill, very clean, very simple. Tom chose it, I approved it. It's not my favourite thing, but I like really garish prints, and like I'll show you like what I enjoy, and Tom just can't stand the sight of any of them. So I'm just trying to add some excitement to the more classic, easy things that Tom likes. So I've already got a throw that's from IKEA, and I thought layering a bit of colour, I thought that would be fun. So that's why I got this. And again, it was really reasonable actually. You just can't go wrong, and it feels really soft and nice. Lovely! That is John Lewis. I kept it very clean, very simple. And now we're right on to Argos. The dream about Argos, it's free collection for any amount. So you could buy like a £3 thing and you could click and collect it, which I just think is really good. And I now live right next to an Argos, so it's amazing. Whoop whoop. I'm in love with these, can I just say. I feel my bathroom is just gonna look absolutely incredible, to be blunt. I don't know, James Blunt. I'm going to see James Blunt in a week. Very excited about it. Very excited indeed. Door hooks are like our life, because our bathroom is small, so we don't really have room for any sort of like storage solution, you know, to put towels on or anything like that. So we hang our towels on the back of the door, and it's the greatest. But I don't actually adore the hooks that are on the back of the door. So these will make me dead happy when I put my stuff on them. I like that there's a wooden tone, because I didn't just want it to be just black, you know, that can get possibly quite depressing quite fast. So I like the addition of a bit of texture in the wood. I was hoping to find like a toilet roll holder that had a bit of wood on. I found some on eBay, but nah. I kept it clean. But I do love this. I am slightly worried at how thin these hooks are, so fingers crossed they fit on my door. But yeah, they're banging, so very happy with them. Please excuse the mold on the door. Obviously everything needs sorting out, but oh, I was so excited for this. They are I think this is too short, so they're a weird height on the door, like they're way too high. And also this is way too thin. I don't know what door is that thin. This is not a especially thick door, but come on lads. So they don't even like hook at all. They don't go anywhere near the other side of the door. So that's annoying. These are a no-go. The second and final thing that I got from Argos, Tom does not approve of, but I bought them anyway. I don't care. I don't know why. I like fell in love with a bin and a toilet brush. Not your standard of things, but live and let live. You are correct. It's yellow. Yeah, it's just very standard, to be honest. Why am I showing you this? I don't know. As you can see, I'm not a fan of anything like glossy. This is kind of like a matte finish, and I'm a big fan. And then me bin. Me big boy bin. I'm very happy with it. It's just small because, as I say for the 14th time this video, my bathroom is small. So fingers crossed they fit by the toilet actually. I did not do any measuring, but fingers crossed. Anything else that's really of interest? I went to my local DIY shop. I gave him me business. I got a large dustpan and brush. It's large because I make a lot of mess. And I'm not gonna bore you anymore because I think that's quite a lot of things. Yeah, very content with that. So I am going to link everything down below just in case anything takes your fancy. If you're moving house as well, I think these are like the perfect kind of little bits to kind of initially put your stamp on the place before you go kind of spending lots of money on any big plans. So that's exactly what stage I'm kind of at the minute. Leave a comment below if you are also in this kind of moving situation. Are you moved in? Are you decorating? What's the crack, guys? Let me know, because I am just enjoying this kind of thing so much. I am all about the interiors. I am watching every single Alexandra Gator video that actually exists, and I am not regretting it one bit. So that's me. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Subscribe to see more of me and to follow my moving in journey, as I am really enjoying documenting it actually. And yeah, there's going to be a lot more to come. I hope you have a lovely day, and I will see you in my next video. Thanks a lot. Bye.